In today's episode, I'm decorating my formal table for summer. So if you're interested in seeing how all this turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, decorating on a budget. Now today, as I stated, I'm doing my summer tablescape. Now everything I'm using is already in my stash except for one item. Now here I have the fuchsia pillowcases. Those were purchased off of Amazon. Then I have the fuchsia table runners and napkins. They came from, and the fuchsia charger plates, they all came from the Tablecloths factory. The green leaf placemats came from Hobby Lobby. The gold flatware came from, I can't think where it came from. The loose leaf flowers you see here, leaves, they came from Amazon. The napkin rings came from Amazon. The plates here came from the Dollar Tree. The smaller ones came from Amazon, and the fuchsia plates were DIY. They were white plates from Dollar Tree that I painted fuchsia with a can of spray paint. Yes, because I wanted that fuchsia color, right? So then, only thing that's new is these pink flowers here. They came from Amazon, and then I'm using the clear like fish bowl at the back for a flower pot, and then I have this gorgeous green stemware that came from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, the only thing that's new here are these flowers. Those are the only thing that's purchased new. Now, I hope you'll enjoy this tablescape as I put it together for summer. I had a lot of fun coming up with the idea of the fuchsia, and I'm excited to see how it all turns out. So let's get to it. Now, I wanted to share with you a simple flower or floral centerpiece. It's very simple. I'm not doing anything drastic to it. I'm using the loose leaf that I have from Amazon to fill in the vase inside so you don't see the branch parts of the flowers. And then I will include the flowers, and it's very simple, very easy to put together, but I just wanted to show you how I was doing it, and then we'll get to the tablescape. while we're here, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Also comment and share my content. Now under Creatively Miss Me, I have 3 channels. The main channel is Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. The second channel is Creatively Miss Me, YouTube Tips and More. And my third channel is Creatively Miss Me, Healthy Tips and More. Also, I would love for you to follow me on my social media accounts. I hope you like what you see and you will subscribe to one or all of my channels and my social media accounts. Now, let's jump back into the show. Now here's an overview of my table. I think it came out really pretty. I like the pink. Now tell me what you think of my tropical pink tablescape down below in the description. You know I love reading your comments. And I will see you guys in the next episode.